Hello everyone, I'm Lucater and this is another beautiful unboxing video. Let's see what's inside. I already know actually. Okay. Ooh, Eilik. I thought the pronunciation is good. I don't know. Eilik. A little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Look at that. Look at this piece of little techy geeky stuff. Nice. There's a comic strip inside. You can cut it and just read it. We'll do it later. Okay. I'll show you the box. Welcome aboard. And let's see. Okay, no. There's nothing to cut off. Desktop. Please put Eilik. Let me show you. Here it is. Hello. Put Eilik on the desktop in normal use. Press the button for at least 3 seconds to turn on and off. Okay. Yes. Okay. See how it is. Oh, that's the instruction manual stuff. Here it is. Hello. And what's inside? Let's see. User manual. USB-C. I've got thousands of them. 5 magnets. And some snack toy. There's also a Starbucks cup. See, apple juice, some other stuff. Nice. Okay, let's see if it's. We can. Which is the button? Okay, the one on the chest. Hello. She's giving kisses. Or he's giving kisses. Or she's giving kisses. I don't know. Hello. There's a touch here, touch sensor. And also another one on the front, maybe? Yeah. Okay, nice. I will give it a look. I will take a look at the instruction manual and on there's a software that I can download for Windows. I don't know if there's a version for Linux. Yeah, if you let me know if you like it. Yeah, let me know if you want to know more about it, and if you want to see some videos about it, how it works, what it can do, what she can do, what it can do. I don't know. And yeah, let me know, and just remember to subscribe. Hello, say hello. Bye.